Hello Sizzers! In this video, you'll learn how to use insert tools. To create custom elements, you need to use the left side toolbar where you can find 5 different tools. Let's click on the frame icon, then click anywhere on the canvas. It will insert a default frame of size 50 to 50. We can also resize it using the transform panel where you can enter custom values. Another way to select the frame tool is to use the keyboard shortcut F. Frame has great features that makes it 10 times easier to work on your design, and that's the auto stretch feature, which automatically stretches the frame to the edges of the screen. Let's move on to the text tool. While selecting this tool, a default text is inserted that you can customize later. You can also use the hotkey T to select the text tool. We also have presets where you'll find ready-made text templates which you can later customize for yourself. You can select the image tool by clicking on the icon or using the hotkey I, after which a window for selecting an image will be displayed on the screen. Let's insert our picture. The tool hand is used to move the page on the canvas area. Pressing the spacebar once, select the cursor tool. Pressing and holding the spacebar switches the tool to the hand. Our card is ready, and you can also make it stretchable by using After Layouts property, and we will tell about After Layouts in our next video, so see you soon!